Unboxing BBC Microbit and tutorial by Pratik. Hooray! I got my Microbit from Amazon. Let's open it and see. Hi guys, I got this Microbit for my birthday from my father, and I decided to make a video about it. If you want to learn more about the Microbit, you can go to www.microbit.org for more info. Let's start opening it. This is how it looks like. And this is the USB. The big part goes into your computer and the small parts connects to this USB here. And you've got the reset button in the back and some kind of port here. Maybe you put the battery here like that. The BBC Microbit is a pocket-sized computer that introduces you to how software and hardware work together. It has an LED display, button sensors, and many input and output features that when programmed, it lets you interact with you and your world. Thinking to program something exciting stuff. Okay, I have an idea. Like NASA or SpaceX missions, at the time of launching their rocket, they need to do countdown like 9, 8, 7, etc. And when the countdown has reached 0, the rocket launch. Boom. I think it is so exciting. Before you plug it in, when you plug it, then in your finder, you will see a Microbit disk. That means you have successfully connected the Microbit to your computer. So make sure you see the Microbit on your files. Okay, let's go to makecode.microbit.org. Click on new project. Give it a name. Let's call my project as countdown. Then click create. The fun part here is this website can let you program in 3 programming languages. That is block-based programming like Scratch, advanced programming, Python, or even JavaScript. You can change the mode anytime just by clicking here. As we decided, we are going to make a countdown project. Let's start. Now let's do it with block, which is easy for kids. Click basic. Let's make a new variable called count. Click OK and then set count to 9 because we want to do it from 9 to 0. Let's implement a while do rule. Just drag while loop block like this and set condition as count is greater than or equal to 0. And then set count to 9 because we want to do it from 9 to 0. Now let's print the current value of the count variable using the show number. Drag it into the count variable inside this, just below this code. Add pause 1000 millisecond, that is just 1 second. Next step is we have to reduce the value of count by 1. Go to variable, drag change by block. Change it to -1. Now my countdown code is ready. Let's try to run and see in the simulator. In the screen before flashing, this is my new hardware microbit. Click play, run button. Wow, 9, 8, 7. As we can see, my code is perfectly working. Let's see how my project looked like in Python code. Wow, it's looked like neat code. Let's download this code, and before that give a file name. Let's name it as countdown. The downloaded file with this extension is .hex. My microbit code is countdown is downloaded. Let's open my file and fold Finder. Go to downloads. Here is my download file. Now you can see this chip as external drive like this. Now copy the files by pressing Command plus C in Mac. If you are using Windows machine, press Ctrl C. Open the microbit drive and press Command V or Cursor V. Now it's copying. Hurry! See, my code is successfully flashed. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now you can see that the code is working perfectly. Hope you enjoy this video on microbit tutorial and unboxing. Please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for my next notification of my next video. Thank you.